We turn now to the weather, and a major storm system is tracking all the way from the west to the east coast this week. Here's some video of the snowfall in Montana as that storm barrels east.
And that could make for an icy morning commute for those of us here in Northeast Ohio. Senior meteorologist Matt Wentz is here to give us the scoop. Hey, Matt.
Well, hey guys, yeah, an amazing storm system. We've been tracking this for 2 weeks out, just the real estate that this system's taking up. You look at it right now as it unfolds, we've got snow breaking out areas of Michigan. That stretches all the way back towards California with several low pressures in here. This is just getting going now here on radar, and we'll really see things ramp up. In terms of alerts and advisories, we've got 2,500 miles of winter weather alerts. A lot of these pink areas, that's your blizzard warnings. We've got winter storm warnings as well. A lot of wind energy with this, and it even includes us here in Northeast Ohio, at least initially, and that's tomorrow morning. This is our time frame of concern. We've got a brand new winter weather advisory. Goes in effect at 7, so if you're an early leaver for that rush hour tomorrow morning, you should be okay. But if you're leaving 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, that's when things will go downhill. This isn't a winter storm, but we are going to have some slick travel, especially in the areas in blue there. So let's dive into it. One of the reasons why we've got cold temperatures tonight, temps will continue to settle a few degrees lower. And you notice how we're below freezing. Jefferson, Ravenna right now below freezing. We're just above freezing. Akron, Canton, you stretch back towards the west. Elyria, Norwalk are below freezing. All of us will drop below freezing tonight. And tomorrow morning, as warm air comes in up above a loft up in the atmosphere, we're going to have rain falling on that. Not snow, not sleet, but rain. So here's how it unfolds. You look at temperatures on there in our precip. This is 6 a.m. We look okay. Can't rule out maybe a couple stray little raindrops with some freezing rain embedded early on, because maybe this model a little bit behind. But as we go through the morning, watch what happens. This is all a wintry mix, and that is not pretty when you've got road temperatures that are still at or below freezing for many of us. This continues 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. We'll likely have rain mixing in, perhaps some sleet by this time on top of that freezing rain. And then the good news is warmer air, and barely warmer, comes in here by noon. So we're all safe in terms of the ice threat, but we've got heavy rain and just a raw afternoon expected. If you think things weren't over yet, watch what happens tomorrow night. 9 o'clock into 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We get up near 60 degrees. This is our high for the day tomorrow night. Meanwhile, we're cold near the lakeshore with more rain around here. Why freezing rain? Well, the reason why is we've got that warm air coming in, and it could cause some ice at the surface. In fact, nuisance, maybe even disruptive at times. We'll talk more about this in your hour-by-hour forecast, and we'll talk about what Thursday and the rest of the week have in store coming up in a little bit. Russ.
But wait, there's more. All right, Matt, we'll see you in just a bit. Thank you.